Welcome to my world. Nail time. Well, welcome back to my channel, Miss K Lilia. Thank you for being the first one to comment on my last video. And in this video, we're going to be doing finally the polygel kit from Makartt, the jelly polygel kit from Makartt, the pink box this time. I did not get the whole set, but I wound up getting this set, and it's sold separately for the polygel and the brush and the no wipe top coat and then the base coat. So all of this is sold separate on Amazon. And shout out to Makartt for putting my picture on your website. I love you. I love Makartt so much. It means a lot to me that I go on the store and I see my picture up there. I feel really, really special. The girls from the group showed this to me. I didn't really know that they used my picture. So thank you for the ladies in the group that actually was looking out and seeing my picture up there. I love you, Makartt. And I'm so proud that you're doing great things. They also have other polygel colors coming up. They have the purple one so far and the blue one so far. So when I get those, I will be reviewing those. As always, you want to prep your nails, wash your hands really good, remove the shine from your natural nail and the nail tips, because any gel will not stick if the surface is too shiny. It will not adhere to a shiny surface. So make sure that you do prep really good. This is actually the first time I'm actually filing on my mannequin hand over here. This is from Flexifinger. These are my new fingers. They're actually a brown color, but in my camera it shows kind of a lighter brown, but it is a brown hand. So this was one of their new ones that they came out, the skin color ones. So I'm just really grateful that I finally got me another hand. So now I have two hands or more to work with. So you want to make sure you get all that shine off. We're not in a race. You don't want to overfile because you could actually hurt yourself. Moving on with their base gel. These little bottles are so cute. They're really small for this kit, but I think they have the full bottles on the actual big set of the polygel, but it is the same base gel as the regular Makartt. So if you don't like working with the little bottles, then you could just use their regular base gel and their top coat. So we're using my glitter mix today. It is called Hello Kitty. And I thought that it was perfect for this type of polygel because we have the pinks going on over here. It's so pretty. But yes, I'm going to put a thin coat of clear polygel from the kit. We don't want to do it too much because, you know, with glitter, if you do too much, it'll be like too bulky. So what I do is I just use a little amount of the clear polygel and I just flatten it out like I was doing like a gel, kind of like a base of a gel polish. That's how thin it's gonna be. I mean, you could use base gel for this, but on a real person you'd want to use the polygel because the base gel is not gonna, it won't be strong enough. It just won't. So polygel or acrylic will be great for this. So don't cure this part yet. When this is done, and then you want to add your glitter on top. So you want to take that glitter and you kind of want to smash it in the polygel, like press hard in there and make sure that the glitter is laying flat. This will help with filing and that bulkiness from glitter, because you know glitter makes everything so bulky, but if you flatten it out and you let it sink in the polygel, it won't be bulky. It'll actually be smooth, and then you'll have less filing. So that's what I'm doing. I am just going ahead and adding Hello Kitty mix and on the polygel. Took out the Hello Kitty heads because it was making the glitter mix a little bit too chunky for me, but I am still going to be using the Hello Kitty heads on the other finger. So you just want to go ahead and cover up every spot with glitter so nothing is showing through. And oh my god, this pink is a life. This pink is everything. It is a jelly pink, but you can't really see it because I am using a natural tip. So I will be doing another video using this on clear tips so you can see how transparent it is. It is very, very jelly and it is beautiful. I love Makartt's polygel. It is so easy to work with. Look at that. Look at how creamy that is to work with. Look at that pink. Look at that. I just love it. This is just one thin coat of this polygel. A little bit goes a long way. Makartt always surprises me with their polygels. I've never actually complained yet of any of their polygels, so I'm really excited that I got this one and I have this hot pink now. I do have their jelly gel polishes, hot pink and other colors, and those are my favorite ones. So I'm excited they actually came out with a polygel so we could enjoy polygel too. So we're going to take this Hello Kitty little fimo. You could get this on eBay, AliExpress. So far that's all I know of the stores that sells the fimo sticks. They're called fimo, F-I-M-O, if you want to search them on eBay. These are from a long time ago. They're not new, but I haven't really used them at all in my videos. So I decided, you know what? This is perfect with this polygel, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the little heads on this finger. I'm gonna go ahead and add another thin little layer of the polygel on this finger, because this is the finger that we're going to be using my new water decals from my water decal seller. Her name is Nene on Facebook, and she also is under Groovy Nails on her page. I will be putting all of her information on the bottom if you guys are interested in her water decals, but they are so easy to work with. 3-second transfer. I was shocked. You put it on like a tattoo. You didn't really need to like sink it into the water. All you had to do is take a little paper towel, wet it, put it in the back, and the water decal like slid off so easily. Now she makes them with clear, the clear little paper, and she also makes them with white. So if you do want her to make them with white, just make sure you tell her, because if not, then she'll probably just do the clear. But I was able to pick whichever ones I wanted. She asked me what I wanted, and I pretty much told her cartoons, cats, Betty Boops, and she hooked a sister up. So these are all the water decals that she sent to me, and I paid about $17 for about 100 of them. So let's support our sis on the group and get your water decals, because you would not be disappointed. These water decals are sturdy, they're strong, they don't break apart, they transfer so easily, and I was just so excited when I got my package. I did actually a little video in my group showing, you know, the little stuff. They have baby boobs, baby Betty boobs, Elmos, cats. It's just so cute, and I love it. So shout out to Miss Nene for selling me these awesome water decals. And just to let you know, I did not cure this just yet. So I added a thin clear of polygel. I did not cure that, and then I put the water decal on top of the uncured polygel, and now I'm putting the loose glitter on top uncured polygel. And the reason why I did that is because sometimes water decals need like a sticky surface for it to stick onto, so I just skipped that part and I just put it on top of the polygel. The polygel was really thin, so it didn't break the water decal, and in fact I think I like this way better than using base gel or like top coat to put my water decals on. I'm mixing my glow in the dark white with the clear polygel, and we're just gonna go ahead and mix that up because I wanted to do a marble nail with this. So this glow in the dark powder, I got this from Amazon. I think it was like $10 for it, but I love it. It glows, I think it glows green, I'm not really sure. I haven't really tested this one yet, but this is the first time I'm using this powder, so all I do is mix it up, and I am using a dual form to mix it up instead of being on my table because I just feel like it works a lot better and faster. So you just want to go ahead and mix that up. It is going to be chunky, it's going to be kind of blotchy, but it's okay. If you have one of those ceramic little plates with those knives, it'll probably work better, but because of polygel, it's actually thicker. It's not like gel, so that's why I put it on the dual form. Also using 71% alcohol. I usually use like 90 something, but I noticed some polygels it breaks down, so I only use 70% of alcohol, and I got the 70% alcohol in Walgreens. I tried to look for it at Walmart, but they didn't have it. So pretty much I'm just literally just throwing this on there, not trying to be perfect because it's gonna be marbled and it is kind of sticky, but that's what happens because we mixed it up with that other powder. So when you mix anything with the polygel, it does get thicker, so keep that in mind. That's why it's like really sticky. So we're just gonna flatten it out to all the surfaces and blend it all the way down. I'm so in love with this pink. It is so pretty. I love it. So now we are almost done, and we're going to take the clear again, very thin, you guys, because we have glitter on here. You don't want to make it bulky, and that's one of the mistakes we sometimes make. You know, when we do glitter, we add too much glitter and then it gets bulky and then you're filing it off. So make sure that everything is thin. You don't really need the nail to be super thick for it to last long. Just make sure that that apex is strong enough and you'll be just fine. So my little hand here, I need a name if anybody knows of a name to call my mannequin hand. But here is some shout out to Miss Shani, and she is also in my group, and she sells glitter cuticle oil. I also put that on the bottom. I love this stuff. It is really pretty. It actually does have a lot of glitter in it, and it does go on your skin, but it's not like chocolate glitter. You can't really feel it. I really love it, and this is what it looks like after it's all done. I am in love. Look at that water decal. She's just sitting there hanging there. She's so cute. I love this polygel. It is so pretty, and I can't wait. I just can't wait to do this on myself. I will be doing a video of this on myself also because I just love that pink. Love that pink. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like this pink. Which finger do you like? And don't forget, you guys, to hit up my girl Nene about that water decal. You guys will not be disappointed. I love you guys, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.